it working? Oh, there I am. Look at me with my daisies in my hair and my cute little, I don't know what's going on under my eyes. I think it's just white. Little, I don't know, whatever. We can always use a little boost from these little, you know, live things that give you better makeup than I could ever use. I don't know where the camera is because I'm not used to doing it this way because my cute little toy broke. So the thing that I usually use for my live broke, so now I'm using it as a like a really weird selfie stick. Anyway, I went to yard sales today and I just wanted to show the really cool things that I got at my yard sales. So I found this place. I don't know if I want to divulge the place because then other people in the area might want to go and, like, you know, I don't know, pick them dry. But there's a guy and he does house clean out stuff, and he has the most amazing stuff. So I only went to 2 yard sales today because I spent all the money I had at these 2 yard sales, but I wanted to show the upcycled stuff that I'm going to be making. I'm so happy. So let me see if I turn the camera around. I'm pretty sure you'll be able to see. There we go. Okay, so first thing I got, not the first thing I got, check this out. So here's this cool little shelf thing. I don't know if you can see it. Pull it back. Okay, here's a little shelf thing. It comes with 4 mirrors, and I'm going to take the mirrors out. I don't know if I'm going to leave it blank or if I'm going to put some, maybe some wood behind it. That might look silly with a window, or maybe some chicken wire. I think that I'm going to do the chicken wire thing. I'm not really happy with the mirrors, so that's going to go. Okay, so my son just popped up there. Okay, so what else do I have? These are not mine, but I got a good deal on these little vintage games for, like that. Can you see that? My camera's so weird. Picked these up for my kid. He's gonna resell them, I think. Okay, so here's some other things that I picked up. This is just a cute little fleur-de-lis. It's glass. This is totally getting a coat of white paint, and I have an idea of what I'm gonna do for that. All right, 2 really cute pictures. Check out this picture. There you go. And yes, it does have nice toll painting on it, but I'm not keeping it that. I think that's just going to get a nice coat of paint, as well as this picture. Now, this picture reminds me of when I would go to summer camp and they would bring the water and the Kool-Aid out in these, the Kool-Aid. It wasn't that kind of camp, okay? But it's just this aluminum pitcher, and this is going to turn into a really nice DIY flower vase I'm going to make from that. All right, I picked up this. I've been looking for something like this at my local thrift place. They didn't have this particular shape because I'm going to participate in one of those DIY challenges where you make a tier tray, or I'm going to use this for a cake tray. I'm not quite sure, but that's what that's going to do. That's what I'm going to do. And I got something else to add to my collection of vintage old little medicine type things for my bathroom because I have a whole collection of these. That was kind of fun. All right, now this is a Scrabble game. Let's see if I can put the camera that way, right? Is it working? It's so weird to use the camera this way. Anyway, so here's an old Scrabble game. I don't know what the year is in this. Definitely going to keep the, let's see, does it say here? What does it say? 1955, 48, 49, 55. So this is like the 3rd edition, I guess, in the box there. I don't know if you can see that. But I like the box because it's a vintagey old game box. I'm addicted to Scrabble. Love Scrabble. It's my favorite game to play. But cool that is. I got it for the letters because I collect these letters, and I make cool things out of them. So that's going to be some Christmas DIYs. Thought that was kind of fun to pick up so far. Okay, now I got a couple of these trees. I might go back and get some more of these. He didn't really give me prices on these individually, so I picked up 2, and I think that I'm going to want a couple more. I'm not sure. Fits perfectly with this really nice wooden house I picked up. That's going to get a paint job. This is clearly handmade. I'm going to take the little pip beads off of there. It's got a hole in the back for, you see it? There you go. Hole in the back for the light. Okay, so that's going to get a really nice makeover. I don't know exactly how, but I have an idea of what I'm going to do to the roof of that. And look how the little tree fits perfectly there. How cool is that? So everything here, not the games, I got all that for 20 bucks. I thought that was a pretty good deal for $20. Not too bad. Now this over here, I got these 3. Let's see if I go back. Check these out. There's 3. My husband got an axe for $5. So I picked up 3 of these. Different sizes. These are going to turn into something really cool and fun. This was like my deal of the day. I really think I got a good deal on these. I'm going to be turning these 2 of these into something to sell. Keep your eyes open for that. As well as turning this one, I think, into a blanket holder. And on that note, I'm going to go because my phone is about to die, and I don't want it to die while I'm in the middle of doing my crazy little mini yard sale haul. So let me know what you think. Leave me a comment. Did you find any good yard sales this holiday weekend? There were so many. There were about 10, and I went to 2 because I ran out of money after 2. That's crazy. All right, everybody. Let me know what you think, and I will talk to you later. Bye. Not sure how to turn it off. What? Oh, there it is. Okay. Nah, bye again.